Tesla stock is up more than 4.5% on this first trading day of the week. All sessions on the IG platform on reports that it's due to build a new factory in Mexico. Bloomberg's reporting that an official announcement will be made later this week. But if it's as expected, it's all part of the electric vehicle car manufacturer's aggressive growth strategy that we've seen over the last 2 or 3 years or so, where it's managed to achieve a 50% increase in overall production at its very many factories now around the world. Let's take a look at the share price chart. Because you can see quite clearly on the far right hand side here, if we focus in the green candle that's emerged today. As I said, this is all sessions on the IG platform. It trades before the US market opens, and we're certainly expecting a rise at the start of today's session. Now, Tesla was reported as having purchased land in Nuevo León, one of Mexico's northeastern states. Reuters is reporting that the details remain thin on whether this will be a new gigafactory or a move towards full vehicle production. Whichever way you cut it, the stock is up today after having lost some 63.9% from the record highs we saw back on the 4th of November. And indeed, as at the back end of last week, it was trading at levels not seen since the 18th of November. But this stock now worth only a fraction of what it was worth at the peak. It's still of interest as a stock, certainly as it leads the way in electric vehicles. The problem is it now has a lot of headwinds in terms of competition from big auto manufacturers like Volkswagen, like Toyota, and like Mercedes-Benz.